Hello everyone. Okay, so nag-trade ako during New York session for Nasdaq. Ayan yung naging trade natin for Nasdaq and ito yung naging profits. Yung dalawa dito is challenge account, itong 1298 and 1295. And then ito is funded account, itong 427, while this one is a live account sa Forex broker. So, ayun. Uh, ito yung naging trade ko and paano nga ba ako nag-come up sa trade na to? Okay? Alright. Delete muna natin tong mga ano to. Ayan. Okay, sa 4 hours, if you're going to take a look at itong Nasdaq, meron tayong buy side liquidity here. And then, meron din actually here na hindi pa nakuha. Possible kunin yan. Okay? And then, titignan mo, overall, we are bullish for Nasdaq sa 4-hour time frame. Same here sa 1 hour. Tinignan ko si 1 hour. Ito, actually, naging trade ko sana to nung kagabi. Pero hindi ako na-trigger yung limit order. So, hindi ako nakatrade dito. Naiwan ako. And then, kanina lang, August 5, 2026, nakatrade ako for this one. Pag market open, ayun, pumasok na yung TP. And then, pumunta ako sa 5 minutes. Actually, meron tayong SMT dito with S&P 500. And then, pagdating dito sa entry time frame, ayan, meron tayong order block confirmation here. Hindi pa ako nakatrade dyan. And then, around here, after nung order block confirmation ng trade ako, ayan yung execution. Around here, yung entry ko. Ayan, yung arrow na pa right. And then, TP here. Ayan, yung execution here. Buy side liquidity. 2R. So, ayan. Sana nag-learn ka sa trade na to. And if you would like to learn more and mag-join sa channel, punta ka lang sa tradesbymerc.com. Nandyan yung community natin. Free course. And it's free to learn in there. Okay? Register ka lang. Ayun lang. I hope nag-learn ka. Thank you so much. And bye-bye.